Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Daily Dash. Today we are logged in the southeast or Green Valley area of Las Vegas. Hopefully we're going to get an order. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. It's a really bad time. It's only 3 o'clock right now, but it gets so dark and I'm not trying to make too many night videos. But anyways, today we're talking about delivering poison. Because, I mean, I think anyone knows this. If you're eating fast food, it's definitely not good for you. But did you know that it's actually kind of poisonous for you? So I just came across this article after watching a Russell Brand video. If you guys don't watch Russell Brand, he has very educational videos. They point out a lot of corruption and that kind of stuff, but it's just, I don't know, it's really good. You should go check it out. Russell Brand's channel is really good, especially if you're into politics and like just pointing out blatant corruption in our world. Anyways, so a new study that shows chemicals known as phthalates, I don't know, something like that, have been linked to health problems. Yes, they have. It's like generally things that are in like plastics and stuff. And because so much of our food is wrapped in plastic and touched with plastic and all that good stuff, it just ends up in the food somehow. And what was really disappointing is 80% of the samples that they collected from restaurants like, which this first one bugs me so bad because I was literally going to go get this and now I feel like I can't go get it. Restaurant includes items from Chipotle, McDonald's. Chipotle is my favorite though. That's why it bugs me that Chipotle was in this little research study that they were doing. Chipotle, McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Taco Bell, all in the San Antonio, Texas area. They obtained 64 food samples of hamburgers, fries, chicken nuggets, chicken burritos, cheese pizza from all of the chains, and found 80% of them, just 80%, so 20%, you're good, you know? You have a 20% chance that you're not taking in phthalates, I don't know, called DNBP, and 70% contained phthalate DEHP. I don't know. I'm not a scientist, so I don't exactly know what this is. But I do know that from reading the rest of the article that they basically make you, they basically harm your reproductive system. So maybe if you're having problems, if you're trying to have a kid right now, you can't, maybe you should stop eating fast food. It might help out a little bit. If you have, ED, erectile dysfunction, and your penis isn't working correctly, maybe you have low testosterone, and some things, it could be from all the phthalate, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, if you are struggling with any of these kind of things, diet is always going to be very important, and this is why my channel, I really, even though it's like side hustle and gig related based, I always like to talk about fitness and nutrition, because to me it's one of the most important things in my life is how you get, or like how you fuel your body. And I feel like I'm generally pretty good with this stuff, although when I am driving around doing deliveries and stuff, sometimes I do get like a hamburger or something like that, or I do go to Chipotle very often. I've never really thought of, like I always thought because it's non-GMO, Chipotle is non-GMO, most of their places, I believe it's all of them, to be honest. They're non-GMO food, so I always thought, yeah, Chipotle is a pretty good place to go, until I found out they have phthalates in all their food. God damn it, 80% of their food samples that were collected. And Mr. Lynch, who is like the head of FDA and like food and all that stuff, said basically this is all just blah blah blah. The FDA approves all this stuff, and then when you really look into it, the FDA is like 70% people that used to work in the government. It just reeks of corruption everywhere. So like that, you can't even trust the FDA. Not that I did. I never trusted the FDA to begin with, but I don't know, there's so much corruption in all of this government stuff, so it's like, even if the FDA says something that's good for you, it's not deadly for you. That's what they're actually saying, is it probably won't kill you. It doesn't mean that it won't essentially put poison into your body. Now basically what we're doing all day long is we're delivering poison to people if you're a delivery driver. I always try to avoid McDonald's and stuff anyways, but essentially what we're doing is we're delivering poison to people. So guys, if you watch my channel, please try to go to the grocery store more, buy healthier food, You really notice it in your bills and stuff. When you go out and you eat like fast food all the time, you're generally spending about like, I would say probably 20 to 30% more for your food rather than if you just cooked it at home. Not only are you saving money, but you are also eating healthier and putting better food into your body. So I know this might be a little clickbaity because we are delivering poison. I can't say we're not delivering poison because especially after this article came out, which came out earlier this month, it is just like, oh man, I gotta stop going to freaking Chipotle. It's such a bummer. But I wonder if they considered all these sushi places, you know? Sushi, like the sushi bowls that I always get. Sushi bowls are like my favorite place to go, I gotta be honest. So maybe since it's not cooked meat, that it's healthier for you? I don't know. Healthier is like less processed. I mean, it has to be less processed. Obviously, it's not cooked. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Maybe Gig IQ, you can help us out with this. I don't know. Engine's gonna shut off because I've been sitting in the same parking lot for the last 30 minutes waiting for an order and we have not gotten anything yet. So I will be right back. I'm gonna drive over towards the restaurants, hopefully get an order. At least we could do one daily dash. If not, it is what it is. Alright, so this is basically what my screen has looked like for the past 2 minutes. I got an order from Wiener Schnitzel. Unfortunately, the app froze and it has been doing this for the last like 10 minutes. I've gotten a few orders and I've not even been able to see what they look like. Like, this is all that I've gotten. I don't know if it's my phone today or what's going on with the service, but obviously it's not a good time to do deliveries because Doordash is just not working. So not even able to do a delivery, but I did responsibly come to the grocery store and I'm going to get some food, organic food, and not put any phthalates in my body. I don't know. Make smart, healthy choices, guys. Like, this is literally your body. This is what is going to take you through life. The healthier you are, the less likely you are to die from COVID, the less likely you are to die from heart disease. Heart disease is the biggest killer of anything in the United States. It kills more people than anything else. So treat your heart right, treat your body right. Don't take in the phthalates. I just keep on saying that word because it's the funniest thing ever. But anyways, just be smart about Boston memory ran out. Anyways, just be smart about the things that you put into your body because this is your only body that you're going to get for your entire life. So make smart choices, work out, and also get yourself a pair of off-axis ninjas. We have the Black Friday sale going on right now. We've gotten 5 orders in the last 5 minutes since I put up this flyer, which I will just share in this video. Check out the new flyer. It is fire. And anyways, if you guys haven't and you want to support my footwear business, go get yourself a pair of shoes and use the discount code Black Friday. It's going to get the shoes down to $40. And where else can you get high quality shoes that are good for your feet, helps support your ankles, and really gives you the full range of motion that you need when you're walking around all day long? Most shoes really limit your range of motion, and that's what my company is all about, is producing shoes that you can actually, like a normal pair of Vans, you would not be able to do this. See how I can bend it? There's normally like a sole in the middle that is so thick your foot does not get that full range of motion. Our soles are very flexible and they allow you to really get that range of motion. I know this is just a straight up advertisement, but hopefully you guys can go to Off Axis Athletics. That's my footwear company's website, Off Axis Athletics. Use the discount code Black Friday and get yourself some really cheap pair of shoes. Right now is like the holiday season and it's the best time of the year to make any kind of sales and stuff. So little advertising, but anyways, hopefully you guys can go check out the website. We got tons of new content up, and if you guys haven't followed us on Instagram, check out my footwear company on Instagram. We have tons of cool content up there. It's Off Axis Athletics, so at Off Axis Athletics. Anyways, I'm done advertising to you guys. You already know. Subscribe, smash the like button if you enjoy these videos at all, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and unfortunately, now this is what my Doordash screen looks like. Doordash, you suck. All right, anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.